If there's education offered, reach out to people who are dementia care specialists because we can provide tips and tricks on how to get through some difficult times and make that transition a little bit easier.
Hi, this is Jerry from Touching Hearts at Home here in Kootenai, Idaho. Today, Linda Henrich is joining us. She is an amazing expert in Alzheimer's and dementia in our community. She's a wealth of knowledge, and I can't wait to hear what she has to say and share with us.
The other part is to get help early. Build a team around you early on. I think the Alzheimer's Association has a great class on that because you think that you can do this on your own. I'm not going to say it's ever easy, but it's definitely easier in the beginning than it is as it progresses. And if you haven't built a good supportive team around you, you're going to be very overwhelmed. And it's going to be really hard, and it's not going to be any easier. So when it's early is better. If you're thinking you may have to place your loved one into a memory care unit or a skilled nursing facility, do some looking around early on so you know what kind of a facility they would feel most comfortable in. And many times there's a wait on beds. So don't wait till you've just thrown up your hands and say, I can't do it anymore. Really try to be proactive and try to find that placement. Coming to the hospital, we do have families that get to that point and they just are really unable to provide that care, and it's heartbreaking for everybody. But the more times we have to change that person's environment, the harder it is for them because they just don't have the ability to adapt to new environments. And if you take them from home to an emergency room, from the emergency to a unit, a hospital room, from that hospital room to another room, it's just so traumatic for the person. And we do our best when they're here, but it's very, very hard. So planning ahead is really the best plan. And get the education. If there's education offered, reach out to people who are dementia care specialists because we can provide tips and tricks on how to get through some difficult times and make that transition a little bit easier.
Well, that's awesome. That's really, really good information. Obviously, we take care of those that have dementia and they want to stay in their home. So that's something you can also look into. And both Linda and I have lots of great resources here in the North Idaho area. So definitely reach out to us. It's been such a pleasure connecting with you. I have been so enjoying our new budding friendship, and we talk about all kinds of things. So it's been kind of fun to get to know you, and I look forward to talking with you again in the future. Thank you.
Thank you.
That was amazing. Thank you, Linda, for such an amazing and just such an amazing discussion about dementia and Alzheimer's. There was some good nuggets in there. I'm definitely going to be sharing that with my team. If you have need for support in your home, please give us a call. We're at touchinghearts.com CDA. Thank you.